Okay, let's start with the main components, the CPU. The CPU is AMD Ryzen 5 1600AF. It has base clock of 3.2 GHz and max boost clock up to 3.6 GHz. And it has 6 cores and 12 threads with total L1 cache of 576 kilobytes and total L2 cache is 3 MB. And also total L3 cache is 16 MB. The CPU socket is AM4 and max temperature is 95 Celsius with PCI Express version of PCIe 3.0 with thermal solution red stealth color with base clock of 3.2 GHz. So that's it for the CPU. And for the motherboard is Asus TUF B40M Plus Gaming. This motherboard is support second generation AMD Ryzen AM4. Maximize connectivity and speed with NVMe M.2, USB 3.1 Gen 2, and Gigabit LAN, and military grade. Top components like TUF LAN guard, TUF chokes, TUF capacitor, and TUF MOSFETs. Maximize durability. The TUF protection with slot overvoltage protection is to ensure components stability and dependability. So that's for the motherboard. So for the RAM or the memory is Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB DDR4 DRAM 32 MHz C16 desktop memory kit. It compatible with Intel 100 series, Intel 200 series, Intel 300 series, Intel X299, and also AMD 300 series and AMD 400 series. And for XMP 2.0 support for trouble-free automatic overclocking. So that's for the RAM. Okay, let's proceed on the M.2. This M.2 is 3D NAND SATA SD4 capacities up to 2 terabyte with enhanced reliability as used for storage capacity. 1 terabyte equivalent to 1 TB or 1 trillion bytes. Total accessible capacity varies depending on operating environment, and also sequential read speed up to 560 MBs and sequential write speed up to 530 MBs as used for transfer rate or interface. MB is means megabyte per second. So that's for the M.2. And the next part is the case or the chassis. And this case is Thermaltake Versa H18 tempered glass black is PCC, and this is micro ATX gaming computer case, and it has mesh front panel with built-in blue lid strip with compact micro ATX form factor. Designed with full-length PSU cover with ideal for IAO solution up to 240 and 280 millimeter, and I/O port USB 3.0 by 1, USB 2.0 by 2, HD audio by 1, and this case is also has two hidden 2.5 inches plus two hidden 3.5 inches drive base. So that's it for the case. And for the important parts in your PC build is the PSU or the power supply. The PSU you will use is this EVGA 500 GD 8 plus gold certified with 90% efficiency or higher under typical loads, and for heavy duty protection including OBF or over voltage protection, UBF or undervolt protection, UCP or current protection, OPP means overpower protection, and the ACP short circuit protection. Or if you can find this same PSU, you can choose another brand with 500 watts and it has 80 plus bronze or gold certified power. So that's for the power supply. And the next part is the graphics card or the GPU. And this GPU is Asus TUF Gaming GeForce GTX 1650 software overclock 4GB edition, powered by NVIDIA, turning with 1800 MHz boost clock and 1280 CUDA cores and overclock 4GB GDDR6 memory, and the space grid of lubricant brings the durability and dual ball bearing to quieter sleeve bearing design with protective backplate to secure components during transportation and installation. The TUF compatibility testing runs cards through a suite of tests to ensure TUF gaming motherboards, chassis, and others gaming alliance components to work together and flawlessly. So that's for the graphics card. So that's it. Good luck to your PC build and see you in the next video. Thank you.